Welcome to Star Chat, the podcast that explores the wonders of the universe and brings you the latest news from the world of astronomy. I'm your host, Carl, and I'm thrilled to have you join me on this journey through the cosmos. Today, we're going to talk about a very special visitor to our solar system, an interstellar comet that's been making headlines with its incredible speed and mysterious origins. Imagine a tiny, icy world hurtling through the vast expanse of space at a staggering 130,000 miles per hour. That's faster than any spacecraft we've ever built, and it's a testament to the immense power of gravity and the unforgiving environment of interstellar space. This comet, known as 3A Atlas, is a relic from another solar system, a messenger from the unknown that's been traveling through the galaxy for billions of years. As we speak, 3I Atlas is passing through our solar system, leaving behind a trail of dust and gas that's being studied by astronomers around the world. The Hubble Space Telescope has been tracking this comet, providing us with stunning images and valuable data about its composition and behavior. And what's fascinating is that this comet is behaving like other comets we've seen before. It's got a dust plume, a tail, and it's even exhibiting signs of outgassing as it approaches the sun. But here's the thing. 3 Atlas is not from around here. It's an interloper, a visitor from another part of the galaxy that's been sent our way by the gravitational slingshot effect of stars and nebulae. And because of its incredible speed, we can't even begin to guess where it came from or what its original trajectory was. It's like trying to track a bullet that's been fired from a distant planet. We can only see it for a brief moment, and then it's gone. The discovery of 3A Atlas is a reminder that our solar system is not isolated, that we're part of a much larger cosmic community that's full of mysteries and wonders. And with the help of powerful telescopes like Hubble, we're able to study these visitors in unprecedented detail, learning more about their composition, their behavior, and their origins. As we continue to explore the universe and discover new worlds, we're reminded of just how small we are in the grand scheme of things. But we're also reminded of our boundless curiosity, our drive to learn and understand the mysteries of the cosmos. And that's what makes this journey so exciting: the possibility of discovery, the thrill of exploration, and the chance to push the boundaries of human knowledge. We'll be right back with more fascinating space news on Star Chat. Welcome back to Star Chat, folks. We're diving into the fascinating world of exoplanets, and a potential game-changer in the search for life beyond Earth. You might recall that Alpha Centauri A, our closest sun-like neighbor, has been a target of interest for astronomers searching for planets that could potentially support life. Well, we've got some exciting news to share with you today. Researchers have reported the possible discovery of a giant planet orbiting Alpha Centauri A, and this finding is making waves in the scientific community. Using the James Webb Space Telescope, a team of scientists was able to directly image the planet candidate in infrared light, which is a significant achievement considering the challenges of detecting objects around bright stars like Alpha Centauri A. The potential planet is estimated to be about twice the distance from its star as Earth is from the Sun, and it's believed to have a mass comparable to that of Saturn. Now, before we get too excited, it's essential to note that this discovery is still pending confirmation. 2 follow-up searches with the James Webb Space Telescope in 2025 failed to detect the planet, but that doesn't necessarily mean it's not there. According to computer simulations, the object might have been too close to its star at the time of observation, making it difficult to spot. The implications of this discovery are significant, as Alpha Centauri A is a sun-like star that's relatively close to us, about 4.3 light-years away. If confirmed, this would be one of the most promising candidates for hosting a habitable planet in our galaxy. However, as one expert cautioned, it's too early to call this object a planet just yet. The team plans to continue monitoring the system and hopes to verify the planet's existence in future observations. This story highlights the ongoing efforts to explore our celestial neighborhood and the potential for discovering life beyond Earth. As we continue to push the boundaries of what's possible with telescopes like the James Webb, we may uncover even more exciting secrets about our universe. Stay tuned for our final story of the day, right here on Star Chat. Welcome back to Star Chat, dear listeners. As we conclude our journey through the cosmos today, I'd like to take you on a fascinating trip to explore a remarkable star that's been captivating astronomers for centuries. Say hello to 61 Cygni, a stellar neighbor that's not only close to us but also boasts an extraordinary motion across the sky. Located about 11.4 light-years from Earth, 61 Cygni is a binary star system consisting of two stars, A and B, which are separated by a distance of approximately 84 astronomical units. Now, you might be wondering what makes this star so special. Well, my friends, it's the high proper motion of 61 Cygni that sets it apart from other stars. The term proper motion refers to a star's apparent movement across the sky due to its actual motion through space. And 61 Cygni has one of the highest proper motions among all stars, with an annual shift of about 4 arcseconds in right ascension and 3 arcseconds in declination. To put that into perspective, if you were to observe 61 Cygni over a period of several decades, you'd notice its position changing relative to nearby stars. But what's truly remarkable about 61 Cygni is its role in the history of astronomy. The Italian astronomer Giuseppe Piazzi first noticed its high proper motion in 1792, and by 1804, he had gathered enough data to publish his findings. This discovery marked a significant milestone in the field, as it provided evidence that stars are not fixed objects but rather move through space. The measurement of 61 Cygni's parallax, which is the apparent shift of its position against the background stars when viewed from opposite sides of the Earth's orbit, was also a groundbreaking achievement. The German astronomer Friedrich Bessel successfully measured the parallax of 61 Cygni in 1838, determining its distance to be around 10.4 light-years, remarkably close to the actual value we know today. Now, I know some of you might be eager to catch a glimpse of 61 Cygni in the night sky. While it's not visible to the naked eye, you can try spotting it with the help of a telescope or binoculars. Look for it roughly halfway between the bright star Deneb and Zeta Cygni, both of which are part of the constellation Cygnus. As we conclude our exploration of 61 Cygni, I'd like to leave you with a sense of awe and wonder at the vast expanse of the universe. The study of stars like 61 Cygni reminds us that there's still so much to discover, and that the night sky holds many secrets waiting to be unraveled. That's all for today's Star Chat. Remember to like, share, and subscribe. And until next time, remember to keep looking up at the stars.